Welcome back, everybody. Today's What Wood Is It? Can you tell by just looking at it? It's hard, it's heavy, it's a Native American hardwood, it's rot resistant, not typically used as a furniture wood or cabinet making wood, but you'll find it in use on farms everywhere across America. It's not my favorite wood to plane. You take little bites. In the springtime, it fills the air with fragrance. If it's in bloom, it has these clusters of white blooms. It will grow everywhere and anywhere you don't want it to grow. And once it grows, it will keep sprouting up from the roots until it finally ceases. Have you guessed? American black locust. So that's about it for today. But I thought I'd bring you a What Wood Is It? Rot resistant. Bugs don't like it. But be careful. If you plan to use it for firewood, take it from someone who knows. Don't fill up your wood stove, bottom to top with it, and go to bed. You'll wake up in the middle of the night, it just chugging along, and it turns the stove bright cherry red. So that's about it for today. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.